Everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we'll discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then simply activate your Cloud Shell from here. Then click on this continue and authorize. Now, once your Cloud Shell get activated, then come back to lab instruction page and come on to task number 1. Now let me tell you what you have to do. You have to run each and every command, each and every code from task number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to do this till task number 5 only. So run each and every command which is there in task number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's start with the task number 1. Copy this first code, paste it here, and hit enter. Now you can simply expand this cloud shell from here and then wait for some time. Okay, then we are done with this code. Then copy the second code, paste it here, and hit enter. Okay, so we are done with this code. Copy this third code, paste it here, and hit enter. Okay, done. Now come on to task number 2. Copy this first code, paste it here, and hit enter. Okay, we are done with this code also. Then copy this second code from task number 2, paste it here, and hit enter. Okay, we are done with this code also. Copy this third code, paste it here, and hit enter. Now come on to task number 3. Okay, there is no code in task number 3, so simply come on to task number 4. Copy this first code from task number 4, paste it here, and hit enter. Okay, done. So scroll down, you will get the second code in task number 4, paste it here, and hit enter. So we are done. Now copy this third code from task number 4, paste it here, and hit enter. Okay, done. So scroll down, copy this fourth code, paste, and hit enter. Then now simply wait. Okay, so we are done with this code. Simply scroll down, click on this check my progress for task number 4. You will get the green tick here. Now come on to task number 5. Copy this first code from task number 5, paste it here, and hit enter. Simply wait for some time. Okay, once you get this type of interface, then simply come back to lab instruction page, click on the check my progress for task number 5, and you will get the green tick here. So once you get the green tick, this means that we have completed with this lab. You can simply end this lab now. And if you like this tutorial video, then hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section.